And I can even animate the actual scaling of the type itself. So if I wanted the text to appear and then get slightly smaller just to coincide with the image in the background, because eventually this will change. And in fact, maybe I want the text to actually fade out. So what I'll do is I'll make the text slightly smaller. Now if I want to animate just the scaling properties for the type now, I'm going to bring my playhead back to where it first becomes visible. I've still got this layer selected. I'm going to hit the S key. The S key activates scaling. I'm going to click on the scale properties. I'm going to scale this type down. So by the time it gets to this point on the timeline, it's actually a little bit smaller. So I'm just going to scale it down. So my type now will appear and then scale down as the images appear. And it's still visible at the moment. I might want to then fade this text out. So I'm going to hit the T key again. This brings me back to opacity. I can add in keyframes. Okay, now here at this particular moment, I want to record the value. It's 100%. To record that value at that moment in time, what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this little sort of almond shape between these two arrows. This will allow you to add in keyframes that record the current value. So it's going to record the value of 100%. I can then move my I can then move my CTI further along and then fade out this type. So I'm beginning to animate both layers now and text to produce my composition.